Welcome to my mini training video. My name is Sally. During this clip, we'll go over the features of the map and creating a map for your network. First, click on the Map tab. This dynamically updating network map includes a zoom and a click and drag user interface. The map updates every 5 seconds and audible alerts play when links or devices go down so that you can take care of the problem right away. Ping points are also available to show if a device is reachable or not, adding further validation of network stability. To zoom in and out of the map, use the plus and minus symbols at the top left of the screen. To pan, use your cursor in the center of the screen and move around. To create interface links or ping points that display on your network map, use the coordinates shown in the lower right corner of the map. For example, San Francisco shows coordinates of 429 and 707, and Washington's coordinates shows 748 and 698. Now we can enter these coordinates in the configuration tool to show the endpoints for our network links. Once in the configuration tool, click on the Map tab and then the Add button. In the IP address drop-down box, I'm going to select the device I have in San Francisco and choose to show a link. I'll enter the interface for the device that goes from San Francisco to Washington, and I'll enter the starting line coordinates in San Francisco, and then the ending line coordinates for Washington. I'll also create a ping point here for my device in San Francisco and enter those coordinates so you can see what it looks like. Click on the OK button. I'll exit out of that dialog box. I'll click on the Update Map button at the bottom right, and then the OK button. Now let's go back to our Total View web page to see what that looks like. Here we go. We can see the ping point created for the device in San Francisco. If I hover over it, it'll show you the IP address for that device. And if you hover over the link, it'll show you the utilization percentage. You can also click on the link line to show a daily graph for the monitored interface. We could see the IP address and the interface and the time here at the bottom for the transmitted packets and received packets. This line in the center delineates midnight. If you see a green light, that means that line is lightly utilized, under 10%. If you see a yellow line, that means the link is about 50% utilized. If you see red, the link is over 90% utilized. And black means that the interface is down. If you see white, that means that there's a communication failure and PathSolutions cannot get the interface status. You can also use the Detach link here in the upper right corner to open a detached view of the network map for full page viewing. To use your own map, rename the map.jpg file in the graphics folder. It's located in your C: Program Files 86 folder, PathSolutions folder, Total View folder, and then in the graphics folder. Let's rename the current map to Map Old or something different so we have a backup copy of it. And then you can drop in your new map JPEG file. For best results, save your JPEG file with a custom dimension size of 2579 by 1563 pixels and use a quality output of 100% for best results. Now, Let's restart the PathSolutions service by going to the Configuration tool, then clicking on the big blue PathSolutions logo, and then click on the Restart Service button. Now let's go back to the Total View web page and click on the Refresh button to see our new map. Here we can zoom out to get a full view of my new map. There we go. Thank you for joining me during this session, and please visit us again for new videos.